Hello, everybody. Here I am back again, alone. No sidekicks, no anybody. We're going to do an unboxing for the month of December on our Walt Life box. It's a little after December, but we just got back from Walt Disney World, so that's why it's a little late. So, anyway, let's open the box and see what we got. Yeehaw! Well, we got a bunch of shredded stuff. That's cool. Move around here. What's this? Okay. I got a Disney 100 lanyard with a little holder. Look at that. Nice little lanyard. Okay. That's kind of cool. Let's see what else we got here. Alrighty. Hey, we got some kind of a light up Star Wars pin. Comes in a nice little metal display box. One of my sons will like that. And what's this? Okay, we got a Groot. Guess it's a candle. We got a Groot candle. Always have more candles. Okay, let's see if we got anything else in here. Hey, we got something big. Alright. Flip it around upside down. That might help. Okay. Magical moments of Disney animation. Nice little book of some kind. Anyway, that looks kind of cool. Nice little keepsake for a Disney fanatic like myself. Apparently I'm the only Disney fanatic in our home, but hey, gotta have one. Let's see, is there anything else in there? Nope, that's it. So hey, that's all we have for this month. Anyway, so if you like what you see, which, who knows. If you don't, you don't. But if you like it, subscribe. We do other stuff. We got videos, of our Disney trip and sports videos of our son and family life and other unboxings. So if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. Hope I brought a little humor to your day. Anyway, have a great day.